Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to hang around by clicking that subscribe button and a little bell next to it so you don't miss another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these 3 beautiful DIYs. I'm going to show you how I made this picture frame super glam that can be used for pictures or menus or message board. These beautiful gallerie inspired bookends, and this super cute lantern or display case. So let's jump right into it. So I have this little snowman that I got this past Christmas at the Goodwill, fell in love with it, but I ended up breaking it. I repaired it and I didn't want anything else to happen to it, so I decided to make a display case for it. So I'm going to be using the supplies that you see right there, and these frames are from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I did was remove the contents of the frame and secure the glass to the frame by using some hot glue on the corners. Next, I just built my box. I actually used a little bit of Scotch Tape to secure it at the top, so that I could easily add the E6000 glue on all of the edges of the corners. I also use a little bit of hot glue because it'll dry quickly and then give the E6000 some time to dry and secure it more permanently. Next, I use my my flower mesh wrap, and measured it to size. I added it on all 4 corners. I added a little bit of the E6000 and some hot glue as well. This served as a decorative piece and also hid the gaps in the glued areas. Once I had that in place, it was time to glue down the mirror. I'm using one of those square mirrors from the Dollar Tree. Did not remove the felt pads because that's going to be the bottom of the display case. And I secured it with some E6000 and hot glue. When everything was dried, I removed the tape, and here is the final result. I also added a little bit of beaded necklace from the Dollar Tree at the bottom to hide that gap, and I think it looks beautiful. So for the next DIY, I'm going to be using this 8x10 acrylic frame from the Dollar Tree and the other supplies that you see here. Everything will be listed in the description box. So the first thing I did was to remove the insert from the frame, and then I used a ruler to trace it onto some cardstock paper. Next, I took my Totally Dazzled diamond wrap and cut it into strips. And the size of the strips are going to depend on what size picture you're going to put inside of the frame or how you're going to use it. It's up to you. Then I added a small amount of the hot glue. Every so many gems, I just skipped a few gems and added a little bit of glue and then secured it onto the paper. I did that on all 4 sides, just making sure it was straight. Once the hot glue was in place, I put the paper back into the frame, and then I added a Totally Dazzled brooch at the very top, and here's the final result. I think it looks beautiful. I'm going to be putting a much larger picture in the frame once I print it out. For the next DIY, it's going to be gallerie inspired, these bookends that are on sale right now for $40-something, but usually retailing at almost $70. So I'm going to be using these stamping blocks from Amazon. I've used them in previous DIYs before, and all I did was secure it on with some hot glue for the video. But if you're going to be using those, you definitely want to put the E6000. I just wanted it to dry quickly for the video. Next, I started playing with the arrangement of my acrylic diamonds. These are also from Amazon. I've used them in another DIY. and you get a giant bag for the price, so you can do so many different DIYs with it. And I just played with the arrangement. I had 2 in the front, 3 in the middle, and 2 in the back, and I just secured them with hot glue. I think these will be okay with hot glue, but of course if you just want it to be more secure, use E6000. This is what it looks like at the bottom. And then I glued the first diamond at the top and started cascading them underneath by adding more, just to build my little mountain. And once I had a good arrangement, this is what it looked like finally. I really love the way this turned out. It cost a fraction of the price of the Z Gallerie one, and they're very nice and very secure. I really love them. So that's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you in the next one. God bless, and bye-bye.